Hi friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to telling you about 10 worst flat belly mistakes women make. So let's start. You've been crushing it at your bootcamp class, bringing homemade healthy lunches to work, and you practically cry coconut water. And yet the scale doesn't seem to be in any hurry to inch its way down, and your abs refuse to unearth themselves. In fact, did those leggings shrink or are they tighter this month than last? But fear not, we're about to school you in sneaky, and very common flubs that could be adding on the chub and holding back your future six-pack abs. After you've seen our list of mistakes many women make, reverse direction with these 50 best ever weight loss secrets from skinny people. 1. You and your roomie get cupcakes every week to watch your fave show Cupcakes. Sugar-laden treats like cupcakes, cookies and even protein bars, which can pack a whopping 20+ grams of sugar, can contribute to serious pound creepage. Swap them for these 50 best snacks for weight loss instead. We promise that fantasizing about trying out for The Bachelor will be just as fun. 2. You have just one soda instead of tea soda. Just one soda each day, or even per week, can really add up, according to new research in the 7-day Flat Belly Tea Cleanse. Sugar-sweetened beverages, such as soda, sweetened coffee or tea, and fruit juice, can lead to excess calorie consumption and weight gain, specifically in the abdominal area, explains Alexandra Miller, RDN, LDN, corporate dietitian at Medifast. Instead of having fruit juice, have plain water infused with fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Instead of orange juice for breakfast, try plain water infused with slices of orange and lemon. And melt up to 2 inches from your waist on the 7-day Flat Belly Tea Cleanse. Test panelists lost up to 10 pounds in 1 week. 3. You're obsessed with gluten. Most gluten-free breads are made from refined grains, with white rice flour being the most popular. These breads have double the carbs of whole wheat breads, shares Sarah Jane Bedwell, Rhode, LDN, a Nashville-based nutritionist and author of Schedule Me Skinny, plan to lose weight and keep it off in just 30 minutes a week. Plus, studies show that people who eat whole grains have less belly fat than those who eat refined grains. If you must go gluten-free, due to celiac disease or similar diagnosis, look for gluten-free breads made with a mixture of seeds and whole grains, such as millet and amaranth, she elaborates. 4. You don't use chopsticks for Chinese and Japanese food. Chopsticks. Ladies, channel that mindfulness from the yoga mat and bring it to the dinner table, okay, coffee table. When you're scarfing down lo mein with a fork, you're probably eating a heck of a lot quicker than you would be if you opted for chopsticks. Navigating the ramen bowl or sushi roll with chopsticks will help slow you down, which in turn promotes eating more mindfully and can make it so you consume fewer calories. No chopsticks? Try eating dinner with your non-dominant hand holding your fork, which will produce a similar slow-down effect. For more easy tweaks to make, take a peek at the 42 ways to lose 5 inches of belly fat. 5. You only eat mini meals. So, it's official, you're that girl who shows up to your 3 p.m. meeting with a perfectly portioned handful of almonds, an apple, 2 squares of dark chocolate and a stack of multigrain crackers. But if you think loading up on those small meals spread out throughout the day will speed up your metabolism, that's not always the case. Although eating frequent meals and snacks has been proposed to help control appetite and food intake, a review of controlled feeding studies in adults found that eating more than 3 times a day had little, if any, impact on appetite or food intake, says nutritionist Lisa Hyam, MS, Rhode, and founder of the Well Necessities. If you like eating small meals throughout the day, keep them small and light, making sure that their total caloric intake is still within your body's needs. And while we have you, don't miss the 25 things you're doing to slow your metabolism. 6. You eat the same thing over and over and over. Woman eating lunch at desk. Are you about to have your 5th hummus and sprouts Sammy of the week? Many women eat the same breakfasts, lunches, and dinners repeatedly. Eating the same foods over and over lowers your metabolic rate and prevents probiotic diversity. Dr. Tasneem Bhatia, MD, also known as Dr. Taz, a weight loss expert and author of What Doctors Eat and the 21-Day Belly Fix. Food diversity improves your metabolic rate since your gastrointestinal system is challenged by change and given a new set of probiotics with each new food. 7. Your wine glass is as large as Olivia Pope's jumbo wine glass. Pouring a glass of wine as large as Olivia Pope's to watch her on Scandal is a mistake, offers Bedwell. And boy, does she have that one right. The recommended alcohol consumption for women is 1.5 ounces, so much less than a typical Olivia pour glass per day, with good reason. Each glass has roughly 120 calories, and your body burns calories from alcohol first to get it out of your system as fast as possible. That means any calories you consume from food get put on the back burner, making it harder to shed unwanted pounds, she explains. Not to mention that alcohol tends to stimulate the appetite, so that Olivia Pope-sized glass of wine may be making you consume more calories from whatever you're eating. 8. You have partner comparison disorder. PCD might not be an official diagnosis yet, but when it comes to weight loss, the struggle is real. Chaim paints the picture well. You and your boyfriend or husband have decided to commit yourselves to wellness. You both begin the journey together, waking up early, eating healthy for about a week or so. But your partner begins to fall off the trail, and he's skipping the early morning workouts. But not you, you're still on track day after day. A few weeks go by like this and you realize he's sleeping in and seeing results, and you aren't, says Chaim. Sound familiar? Well, stop comparing. Women, you will never be able to accurately compare your body composition to your male partner. We will generally have a higher percentage of body fat than men, despite eating proportionally fewer calories. In fact, a healthy range of body fat for women is 20 to 25%, compared to men who are at a healthy range from 10 to 15%, she adds. Bottom line, don't beat yourself up, and quit measuring yourself against your beau. 9. Egg whites only is your mantra, separating egg whites from shell. It might be your brunch and breakfast go-to, but there's reason to give the silky, golden yolks some love. Egg yolks are a source of vitamin D, a vitamin most Americans do not eat enough of. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to abdominal obesity. Also, the healthy fat within the yolks will help you feel fuller longer and less likely to overeat later in the day, offers nutritionist Kayleen St. John, Road at Natural Gourmet Institute, a health-supportive cooking school in New York City. For the head-to-toe amazing info on eggs, find out what happens to your body when you eat eggs. 10. You only meet up with people at restaurants and bars socializing. Even if you're eating the seemingly good-for-you choice when dining out, you still can't fully control how much salt, oil or fattening ingredients go into a dish. You might not even be aware of them. Research shows that those who prepare 6 to 7 meals at home consume fewer calories than those who cook less, even when eating out. Find your niche in the kitchen and get connected to what you eat. And then make cooking at home even easier with these 40 things healthy cooks always have in their kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. To never miss another update from my channel, stay with us.